Hello, hello, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope you guys are having a terrific Tuesday. And it is a rainy mess here in West Tennessee. I'm telling you, we have had rain and thunder since, I think it started around 5 o'clock last night. And that's all it's been doing. I went to bed. And in the middle of the night, I don't even know what time it was. It might have been 2 o'clock in the morning. I have no idea. I got woke up to the loudest crack of thunder. It scared me to death. My husband never heard it. He said he slept right through it. But I heard it. Scared me to death. And so we're under a flood warning. And I think we're under a tornado watch until like 11 o'clock. And it's about 10:15 right now, so we're almost through with it, but it's still raining like cats and dogs. Our yard got huge big puddles where it's just about flooded, so we're getting lots and lots of rain today, but it's all been good. I took my husband to physical therapy this morning, and he did really well. Guys, he's walking around the house without his walker. I'm so excited. He's doing so great. His measurements are good. Everything's great. So thanks again for the prayers for him. And, I thought I heard it thundering again. I guess not. So I just wanted to come on here and show you. Remember I mentioned yesterday that Aaron Crafting Kitty is doing a spotlight each month of different creators. And this month it's Hooked by Robin. And she asked you to go on there and pick out a project and make something from her videos or patterns. And then you take a picture of it and share it on her Facebook page, on Crafting Kitty's Facebook page. And then she will draw names to win prizes at the end of the month. So this is the one I chose. And it uses the Suzette stitch. And let me pull this up because I meant to have this already pulled up. And I forgot to do it. Let me see here. Let me get off of this and onto the right page here. Let's see. I want to call it correctly. Oh, is it not? Why is it not on here anymore? Okay, that's not the one I want. I don't know why it's not. I had it on my saved list, but it's not on there. Okay. Let's do this. Sorry guys. Give me a second. I'm going to look this up. It is Hooked by Robin. Why? And like I said, it's the Suzette stitch. Well, maybe I'll find it. Oh, here it is. It's the title of the video. It says crochet a scarf in under 3 hours. This one took me, I did a little bit of it last night and a little bit this morning. So I want to say about 2 hours and 45 minutes. And I had this made. So you can do this in under 3 hours, but it uses the Suzette stitch. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And the colors. And the way she did it, and I just did like she did, she chose 3 different colors and she just used them up until she used up the whole skein and then went to the next color and used up that skein. This one ended up measuring 60 inches. And the yarn I used was from Hobby Lobby. It's the Yarn Bee True Colors from Hobby Lobby. It's the 6 super bulky weight yarn, 100% acrylic, and there was 76 yards in each skein. So this one, let's see. What colors here? I gotta find the color names. I think one of them was yeah, here it is. I used the pumpkin. That's this one, the pumpkin. This one is called Gold, And then this color here is called Rustic Rouge. Rustic Rouge, Gold, and Pumpkin. And that's from the, at Hobby Lobby, Yarn Bees True Colors, bulky number 6. So that's what I use to make this, and I love it. It's so pretty. And the stitch is simple. So go check out her video. It's real super easy to make this Suzette stitch. If you don't know how to do it, check out her video. It's super easy. And you know what I'm thinking? I'm starting to work on a design for a cardigan, and I think this Suzette stitch would be beautiful for a cardigan. And I'm going to use it in a number 3 weight yarn, variegated yarn. So I'm going to try that out with a cardigan and just see what that looks like. I may have to change yarn. I don't know, but we will see. So that's what I'm going to submit for this month's challenge from Hooked by Robin. It's so pretty and it's so warm and it's so soft. That Yarn Bee yarn is True Colors is super soft. So then I also got caught up. I was going to do a snowflake a day from the book 100 Snowflakes to Crochet by Caitlin Sainio. And I got behind. So I did, today is the 3rd. So I did all 3 last night. This is number 1. They're so pretty. Snowflake number 1. Now I still, let me show them to you first. Here's snowflake number 2. I don't know if you can see real good how the detail on that, but anyway. And snowflake number 3. They're so pretty. Now, this one is not, I've still got to stiffen these and block them so they keep their shape, especially this one. But I think it's so pretty. I love the detail. Now, I'm using the 4-weight Premier Basic White. And the book calls for using a number 10 thread. So if you used a thread, your snowflakes are going to be significantly smaller than this. I think in the book, let me look and see what it says. It gives the measurements on these snowflakes. I think, let me take a look and see. I know I saw it somewhere on here. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Yeah, this one right here, the measurement in the book is 2 1/8 inches. If you use the thread, and I haven't measured this, let me see what the diameter. Yeah, see, it's about twice that size, almost a little over twice the size. I used, like I said, I used a number 4 weight yarn, white, and this one measures 5 inches from this point to this point across is 5 inches. So, but I wanted bigger snowflakes because I want to decorate my tree with them. So, like I said, if you use it's going to be 2 1/8 inches if you use thread, but it's 5 inches if you use worsted weight yarn. Now, you could use any weight yarn you want to. I just used this and I followed whatever I think it was a size I. Yep, a size I 5.5 millimeter hook to make these. So there's the first 3. I'm going to do another one tonight and I will have it ready for you tomorrow. So that's my plan now, is to keep up with that and do these a square a day. And so we'll see. What my plan is now is to work on this cardigan. And what I've got is I've got 4 skeins or 4 cakes of this mandala. Is it mandala or mandala? I don't know. I say mandala, but I may be wrong. But it's the Lion Brand mandala. And it is a 590 yarn, let me see if I can say that right, 590 yard cake, 100% acrylic, and it's in the color Wood Nymph. So this is the colorway. It's got the cream and then a little bit of light purple, and then there's like a mauve color right here, and then it goes into a little darker purple, and then a really deep purple. So I'm going to play with it. I'm going to use that Suzette stitch, and I'm going to play with it, and I'm going to see how that works up with that type of yarn to make a cardigan. So we will see how that turns out. And that's what I'm planning on working on today, is that, and making my next snowflake. So stay tuned tomorrow, and I'll be showing you progress on that cardigan, and I'll see how that works. That will be my first ever designed cardigan. I'm so excited. Excuse me. So yeah, woo, busy, busy month. Oh, and I didn't bring my calendar up here. I told you I was going to bring my calendar up here for today's video, and I did not. It's still downstairs. So tomorrow we'll talk about the calendar, and I'll show you the yarn choices that I'm going to use and what I think I have in mind to make with it. So we will see. So stay tuned tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, terrific Tuesday. And yeah, if you are coming on here today for the first time, thank you for watching. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I am pushing now to 500. And I'm hoping that will happen real soon, because I will be doing another drawing when we get to 500, guys. I'll do another giveaway at 500. So be sure to let your friends know, share this video, and get the word out there. And let's get this channel to 500. And I'm so excited. Oh, here's what I was going to tell you about that cardigan. I'm going to play around with it today and see if that stitch is going to work, if it's going to look right. But listen. Never done tutorials before. This is new. I'm venturing into new areas with this. So, I'm thinking the way that I have it in my head of designing this cardigan, I'm thinking about doing it as a crochet along instead of just one video. So you guys tell me. I really think it would be fun to do it as a crochet along, but I need to play with it today and see how it works up to be able to do that. So you guys tell me, do you like crochet alongs better, or do you like just a straight out video that you can pause and watch at your leisure? You tell me, and that's what I'll do. Okay? So I hope you guys, again, have a terrific Tuesday. Thanks for watching my channel. I love you guys. And if you're in the areas that's getting all this rain, stay inside and stay warm and dry. And take care, guys. And I'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.